How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to make your future better. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So have goals. One way to make your future better is have something to work towards. Goals can keep you grounded and allow you to work towards a better future. Goals are 100% fine to have, but just remember, try not to control every situation, and you can't be perfect. The next step is to stop worrying about the future. I know sometimes I am even guilty of doing this. Live in the present and be grateful for everything that you have in the moment. I know when we start setting goals and hitting our goals, then we want to live more in the future so our goals come true, but you need to live in the present and enjoy the time that you have, which is now. You never know what can happen a day or a week from now, so be grateful for what you have and live in the moment. This will surely stop you from overthinking. Another thing that I do when I am overthinking lots, you guys, is to just focus on something that is healthy in nature, such as exercise. I love to exercise. Exercise relieves stress and releases endorphins into our brains that allows us to stay healthy and keeps us looking lean. I highly recommend you guys exercise if you find yourself overthinking. You can do cardio or lift weights. I personally lift weights. I also recommend doing yoga or meditating. Both are great and good for the mind. They will definitely stop you from they will definitely make your future better. These are the tips I recommend if you want to make your future better. If you have any other questions, comment below and I will answer them. In the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.